Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barber's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. So today's video is going to be about a job I just did on an '05 Hyundai Sonata 2.7 liter. And the problem that this vehicle was having was it didn't want to take fuel. You would go to the gas pump and start adding fuel to it and the pump would shut off. Add a little bit more, 5 seconds later the pump would shut off. And that would just repeatedly happen for about 10 or 15 minutes until you had enough gasoline in it to get anywhere. So very frustrating for this guy that owned the vehicle, and I'd seen this before, so I suspected one thing and one thing only on this because it's kind of common on this kind of car. Actually, I think it's kind of common on a lot of Hyundais. And if I were to guess, I'd say probably from 2003 to 2008. Don't quote me on that. A lot of Hyundais have this situation occur to them. So maybe this will help you if you don't have a Sonata. But anyway, what I suspected was that the charcoal canister came apart on the inside. And so first thing I did was pull down the charcoal canister, remove the vent tube from it, and sure enough, charcoal pellets went everywhere. I mean, it just poured all over the place. So the vent tube that goes up to the filler neck was totally clogged up with charcoal, but because that line was clogged up with charcoal, the vapor couldn't go anywhere, and the raw fuel or liquid fuel would just gurgle back up through the filler neck, touch the nozzle, and shut off the nozzle. And that's why that happens. Now, what causes this and what's the repair for this? Well, my theory and the theory of a ton of other technicians out there is that this is caused by customers or drivers overfilling their gas tank. Whenever the gas pump finally shuts off when you got a full tank of gas, they want to pump it about 3 or 4 more times or get 3 or 4 more clicks out of it until it's just about running out the filler neck. That's not good for these vehicles, and the reason that's not good is because that vent tube that goes from the charcoal canister up to the filler neck, well, all that liquid gas gets down into the charcoal canister through that tube, and the charcoal pellets aren't designed to handle liquid gas. It'll handle vapor gas, but not liquid gas, and it will eat up the inside of that charcoal canister and cause it to come apart and clog things up. So the repair for this, and the repair for this vehicle, was to replace the charcoal canister and also clean all the pellets out of the evap system. Fortunately for me, on this vehicle, the vent tube going up to the fuel filler neck was the only thing that was clogged up with charcoal pellets. But there's a possibility that charcoal pellets could get throughout the system in other areas, like the purge line going from the vapor canister to the engine, or the lines going from the vapor canister to the gas tank. So you need to check for that, and if those things are clogged up too, the charcoal pellets need to be removed from those components. And this video doesn't really get into that. I just wanted to touch on this charcoal canister issue here coming apart because it's kind of a common thing. So I replaced the charcoal canister on this vehicle, got the pellets out. The customer took it to the gas station, filled up with gasoline, problem solved. And hopefully this will help somebody to figure out what's going on with their vehicle too, if they're having this symptom of not being able to fill up with gasoline quickly. So check that out, see if this helps you. If it did, if you found your problem using this video, please let me know down below in the comments. Just comment down there and let me know what you found. If it didn't help you and you're still not sure which way to go, I'll try to help you if I can. I'm very limited as to what I can do over the internet in the discussion portion of or the comments portion down below there, but I'll see what I can do. So got a question, comment below. Also, please read the entire description of this video. I'll have more very important information down there. I may need to clarify some things, and I'll have that information down in the description there. Please read that, guys, and as always, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good one.